Okay, I just tried to turn it on 3 times. I'm going to try again. Nothing. I'm going to put it in neutral. Nothing. Jiggle this a little bit. My foot's on the brake. Nothing. Okay. Taking the key out, trying the old close, open, close, open. Let's try it again. Nothing. I'm gonna wait a few seconds. Maybe close the door. Nothing. This is insane. Okay. I'm going to try all the switches now. Opening the window. Opening the door. Nothing. Shoot. And why is it, by the way, that when I do that, these lights go on? Does that have anything to do with it? Nothing again. I'm going to wait a few minutes. See, isn't that weird that these lights go on? Nothing.